Today folks, I'm going to take a look at how to very quickly align the voices in a choir recording. So if I had a lot of time, I could do this track by track, just doing it with the razor tool, getting it all matched up. But I've got over 100 tracks and about less than a day to do it in, so I need a quick method. Alright, so what I'm going to do is use something that I've used for ADR before, automatic dialogue replacement. And that is the automatic speech alignment in Audition. Okay, so I've got my reference track here, which is our friend Ben, who's a very good singer and a drummer, so he's good timing. So I'll use that as the reference. Okay, and now if I play everything together, you're going to hear a real cacophony because I've not mixed these together or done anything to them at all yet. Okay, it's a mess. Okay. But the timings are out on lots of the tracks. So I need to do it quickly without having to go through every track individually, phrase by phrase. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Ben, and I'm going to select the next track, hold down Command or Control on a PC, and I've got both tracks selected. Right click and choose Automatic Speech Alignment. Okay, my reference clip is Ben. My underlying clip is this one with a very long name here. And the reference clip's not noisy, it's a nice clean recording. And I'm going to add the new clip to a new track. Okay, so we could do this. I'll go for tightest align. I'll go for balanced. Okay, I'm going to balance those. That should do a good job. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK. Okay, so now I've got a new track. Okay, and it's very slightly, because this one wasn't very out of time, moved it over. Okay, so I'm going to just delete this track. Okay, and then select the next one. I'm going to select Ben and this one. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing. And my reference clip is Ben, my underlying clip is there. Add to new track. Okay, now I've got another new track. I'm going to delete this one, and as you can see, the points, okay, are lining up. Okay, our phrases are lining up. So I'm very quickly just able to repeat this for every track. Okay, and there we go. I can go through this, and it wouldn't be as perfect as really spending time with it, but I haven't got time to do that. So this is the next best thing. Okay, so I'm taking these, and I'll take this one. Okay, and I'm gonna, okay, automatic speech alignment. We've got Ben, we've got this new track. Off we go. Delete these tracks. Let's just solo these tracks. Solo, solo, solo. Okay, and solo this, and solo this. Pop, pop, pop. And
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Richard.
okay, so they're in time. All right, so I can go through there. Okay, so I may have to do a bit of tuning, a little bit, maybe a bit of auto tune, but in terms of the rhythm, we're good. We're good. So there you go.